Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Children, in last class, I told you about types of natural vegetation in India. In that, I told you about 5 main types of natural vegetation. Now tell me which one? Yes, tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, thorny bushes, mountain vegetation or montane forest, mangrove forest. Okay children? So today we are going to learn vegetation wildlife in India. Before starting this lesson, let's learn some good habits. So children, we all should have a good diet because it is very necessary for us. It makes our body fit and healthy. In place of good diet, in good diet including fruits, vegetable, pulses, rice and milk also. Children, we all should avoid junk food. Okay children? Now let's turn to our class. Students, India is home to a rich variety of wildlife, you know very well. Forests are home to variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and a large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects and worms which dwell in the forest. Dwelling means living. Okay children? So, tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of the country. Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Elephants and one-horned rhinoceros roam in the forest of Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels, the sheep of desert, and wild asses found in the Great Indian Desert and the Run of Kutch respectively. Children, wild goats, snow, leopards, bears, etc. are found in the Himalayan region. And beside these, many other animals are found in our country such as monkey, wolf, jackal, nilgai, cheetal, etc. You know children, India is equally rich in bird life also. The peacock is a national bird. So other common birds are parrots, pigeons, manna, geese, bulbul and ducks. There are several bird sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. These provide the birds protection from hunters. Can you name 5 birds that are commonly found in your area? So this is question for you. Okay children? There are several hundreds of species of snakes found in India like cobras and crats are important among them. Due to cutting of forests and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining de- are declining rapidly. So many species have already become extinct. Like dinosaurs, you cannot see them. You are not able to see because they are extinct. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries and biosphere reserves have been set up. The government has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. Okay children? So now children, I have a question for you. Can you name some wildlife sanctuaries of India and locate them? Ghana Pakshi Vihar and Sariska Pakshi Vihar. These are some. So now you also search. You know children, you can also contribute in conserving wildlife. You can refuse to buy things made from parts of the bodies of animals such as their bones, horns, fur, skins and feathers like leather bag, leather belt, leather shoes. Okay children, every year we observe Wildlife Week in the first week of October to create awareness of conserving the habitats of the animal kingdom. So children, here I am sharing you picture of large scale poaching alleged in Simipal Reserve. Okay children, you know who are poachers who kill tigers. Okay children, so some birds such as pin-tailed duck, curlews, flamingo, osprey and little stint migrate to our country in winter season every year. These are called migratory birds. Smallest migratory bird, little stint, weighing as low as 15 gram from Arctic region travel over 8,000 km to reach India. Children, we also try to be familiar with these wildlife like animals, birds, and even insects also. They all are very useful to us because they are also the special part of this ecosystem. Okay children, so maintain this ecosystem very well. We have to preserve these birds and animals also. So we should stop cutting off trees and preserve these wildlife. Okay children, thank you, have a great day. And now your this chapter 8 of geography is finished. Next, in the next video, we'll start next part of this social science, social and political life. So try to complete question answers related to this concept. I'll share you our answers on your WhatsApp group. Okay children, so be good and take care of yourself and your family.